Most people do everything that they're supposed to do. They work hard, they save diligently, they invest in their 401k, and they trust the system. They spend decades sacrificing, hoping that one day they'll finally have enough money to reach financial freedom, where they can travel, where they can relax and enjoy life without stress. But then reality starts to hit. The market crashes, inflation skyrockets, and taxes, they end up taking a bigger bite than was previously expected. And suddenly the retirement that they dreamed of turns into a financial nightmare. And the sad truth about this is it's really not your fault. I mean, most people, they follow the plan, they do everything right, but the system, the financial and retirement system, was never actually designed to work for you. So if you're watching this video right now, you don't want to hope to have enough money one day. You want to know that you're never going to run out of money. You want to live a life of freedom, not fear. So today, I'm going to expose the biggest flaw in traditional retirement planning, the flaw that keeps most hardworking professionals stuck in a cycle of uncertainty. And more importantly, I'm going to show you what to do about it and how to escape that cycle. Now, first off, I want to welcome you to the Wealth Outside of Wall Street channel, where we challenge conventional financial wisdom and we show you how to build a passive income machine so you can achieve financial freedom in 10 years or less. If you're tired of a broken system, one that keeps you guessing, hoping, and praying that you're not going to run out of money, then hit that subscribe button today, because we're going to expose the retirement illusion and show you a better way. Now listen, for decades, financial advisors have been telling you save enough money, withdraw 4% a year, and you're going to be fine. Now that might sound simple, right? Save 1.6 million, withdraw $64,000 a year, that's 4% of 1.6 million, and bada bing bada boom, enjoy a fancy, beautiful, wonderful retirement. But here's the problem. Almost nobody can actually do this. The 4% rule and the math behind it really don't work. Today, the average American entering retirement has $250,000 in their retirement portfolio. That's a far cry from the 1.6 million to generate a meager $64,000 a year. I mean, let's do the math. 4% of $250,000, that's only $833 per month. That's it. That's your paycheck. That's what retirement looks like for you. And I don't know about you, but when people think about retirement, they don't imagine living a life of poverty. No one wants to retire and live on dog food in retirement. But that's exactly what the system is setting you up for. So what is the solution? Some financial advisors claim that the 4% rule, it's too conservative and that you can withdraw 4.7 instead. But does that actually solve the problem? I mean, 4.7% of $250,000, that's $979 a month. I mean, congratulations, you can now upgrade your Big Mac meal. But listen, the reality of it is you're still broke. And here's the worst part. Some economists argue that because of increasing market volatility, even the 4% rule is too risky. Those economists say that the real safe withdrawal rate should be only 2.7%. Now, I'm going to do the math on that just to depress you, because 2.7% of $250,000, that's $562 per month. Retirement just turned into survival mode. So let me ask you this. Is this really the plan that you want to rely on? Because listen, the problem isn't just the math. It's the unpredictability of the system. Market crashes can wipe out your savings. What happens if you retire in the year 2000 or the year 2008 or the year 2022 or even the year 2025 as the market is shaping up just this year? If you retire right before a market downturn, if the market drops 30 to 50% in the first few years of your retirement, you could possibly run out of money decades sooner than you actually planned. So market crashes wiping out your savings, that's the first problem. And the second problem is taxes are a complete unknown. Most retirement accounts and most financial plans tell you to use tax-deferred accounts, which means you're not just guessing how long your money is going to last, you now have to guess how much money you're going to owe to the government at some future point in time. I mean, think about this. Do you think that taxes are going to be higher or lower 10, 20, or even 30 years from now? Most people I ask that question to undeniably think that taxes are going to go up, but yet they continue to defer their biggest liability, which is future taxation. This is what financial planners encourage you to do. Problem number 3 is inflation is slowly destroying your spending power. It's whittling away the purchasing power of every dollar that you're stacking up in your market-based account. I mean, $64,000 today won't be worth the same in 20 years from now. Inflation means that your retirement withdrawals, the amount of money you have to take out of your account just to support the basic living expenses you're going to have, they have to increase, draining your savings even faster. And the worst part about this, even if you increase your withdrawal rate from 4% 4% to 4.7%, you still have the very same problem. You're still spending down your savings, you're still hoping that the market behaves, and you're still living in financial fear. This is not freedom. And the real issue that I want to point out with the retirement mentality that we have here in America is retirement planning isn't just about the math, it's about the mindset. Traditional retirement forces you to play small. It tells you to accumulate a pile of money, as big as you can get that pile, and hope that that pile of money lasts. It forces you to live in constant fear in retirement, afraid of what might happen, which is out of your control, and afraid of spending too much money and outliving the money that you have saved. And worst of all, it makes you play defense instead of offense. So let me ask you this. If you're constantly worried about running out of money, can you really call that retirement? If you have to ration your savings, are you really free? Because real financial freedom means waking up every single day and freely declaring, I can do whatever I want today, and living your life where money isn't the primary reason why you do or don't do something. This is what most people dream of when they think of retirement. Not, I hope I don't run out of money. So the solution isn't withdrawing 4.7% instead of 4% or increasing your withdrawal rate to 5% or 6% or anything like that. The solution is multiplying your income so you never run out of money in the first place. Retirement, it shouldn't feel like a gamble. Right now, most retirees, they cross their fingers and they hope that their money's going to last. They're at the mercy of market swings, inflation, taxes, and the government. But what if you could retire without fear, without worrying about market crashes, tax hikes, or inflation, eating away at your savings? What if you could have a guaranteed paycheck for life so you could spend freely without ever running out of money? This is exactly what a strategy that we share as part of the Passive Income Machine does for you. It's called a private pension. And the best part is you can create a private pension for yourself. Now, let's talk a little bit about what a private pension is. A private pension follows 3 simple rules. Rule number 1 is your income never runs out. Rule number 2, your income is backed by real tangible guarantees. It's backed by assets. And rule number 3, you only spend the interest, never the principal. With traditional retirement planning, you're slowly spending down your savings, hoping that it's going to last. With the private pension, your money keeps growing and you only spend what it earns. This means that you can spend freely without worrying about running out of money. The key is to turn your savings, wherever you've put your savings, into a stream of guaranteed income. Instead of putting your money in Wall Street's casino, you invest in high-yield asset-backed loans. These loans are secured by real assets, tangible assets that have real intrinsic value, usually real estate. You earn an 8 to 10% interest rate paid to you like a paycheck every single month. Your principal stays intact and your income keeps on flowing no matter what the market is doing. So let's compare. Imagine you retire with more than the average $250,000. Let's say you've got $1 million in your IRA, your retirement portfolio, and let's say depending on where you put that money is going to determine the income stream and the quality of your retirement. In a 401k or some form of an IRA, if it's associated with the market, you can only withdraw 4%. That's $40,000 a year, and you're living with your fingers crossed every single year, hoping that you don't run out of money. But in a private pension, you can earn 8%. This means you immediately double your income. Your $40,000 income doubles to $80,000 per year, and you're never touching your principal because you're only spending the interest that it's kicking out. All of your dollars are now backed by a real tangible collateralized asset rather than just the market hope of hoping that the market is going to appreciate. Now, my friends, I don't know if you caught that. That's 100% raise in your retirement income, and you never have to worry about running out of money. This is what a private pension is. I mean, think back in the days, retirement planning used to be really, really easy. You just went to a job, you worked for 30 or 40 years, and upon retiring, you got a gold watch and an income stream for life. That's what a pension was. The company just kept paying you a paycheck for the rest of your life. Back in the 1970s and early 1980s, companies started switching away from defined benefit plans, pensions, into defined contribution plans, today known as the modern day 401k. This puts all of the responsibility on you. You have to save for retirement. You have to plan for how long your money's going to last. You have to predict market ups and downs. And that's where the 4% rule comes from. Because the market is volatile, you need to take the minimum amount necessary to give you the income that hopefully you can survive on so that the market downturns do not wipe you out. This is the 4% rule in action. But if you just change where your money's at, one simple solution can double your retirement income. It can take you right back to the pension mentality where you're only spending interest, your money is backed by tangible assets with real guarantees, and you have an income stream for life, paid to you just like a paycheck. My friends, this is financial freedom, and for most people, this is what they want their retirement to look like. I want to invite you to consider integrating a part of the Passive Income Machine, the private pension, into your personal financial plan. If you're interested in learning how to do this, just drop pension down below, and I'll give you more resources and information to learn more about how private pensions work. Because here's the reality, retirement shouldn't feel like rationing your savings. You should be able to spend confidently confidently without fear. You should be able to double or even triple your retirement income, and you should live life on your terms. That's what you've been working all of this time for. You can keep guessing with a 401k, or you can build a private pension and retire with certainty. The choice, it's ultimately yours. Now listen, if you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me on the next video. Fearless.